guys, welcome. Today we're at Animal Kingdom. We're here to find you some of the best picture spots around.
Yeah, because you know, look at me.
So photogenic, so beautiful. Yes, get it, girl. So the first spot is obviously just right here at the front where it says Animal Kingdom. The next photo spot is right over here. There's a little cutout Lion King thing. We're gonna go get our picture taken because there's actually a photographer there with your photo pass. Let's go. Why am I still smiling so hard whenever I get my picture taken? Like, literally. Okay, so the entrance from the inside of the park into Rainforest Cafe is closed. However, there's a really neat little picture spot here. Go say hi to all your animal friends.
Know it. Stuff on my teeth. I don't want to touch because of my brain scan with my fingers. Won't do that. But hey, big fella. How you doing, man?
Alright, we're gonna head up to the top of the hill, right in front of the Tree of Life.
The tip, the top, the tip, the top, the tip down.
Alright, let's go. If you come up the left side by Rainforest Cafe, you'll get this really good shot with like the bridge and the waterfall in the background. It's so beautiful.
Hey, there's Mr. Turtle.
Where's the turtle? Oh,
he's like all the way
hey, turtle. So obviously this iconic shot here with the Tree of Life, super good. And you could just stand here all day and take pictures.
For lunch.
Also down the sides of this bridge here. I mean, that's just gorgeous. So if you want the tree more up close, you can come down here, right by the bottom of it, and there's almost always another photographer guy right here. When you get to the Tree of Life, if you go left, you're gonna pass this store, and then you'll come upon this really neat spot for a photograph. They have some fun magic shots.
I just keep thinking of Hakuna Matata every time I see them.
Yes.
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for the rest of the day. It's our problem.
Oh Lord, okay. Jesus. All right, there's another really cool Instagram wall right there. I don't know, how often do they change that?
I don't know, because that one's been there for a while now.
Yeah, I like the one before it though.
What was it, the butterfly, or was that something
Yeah,
different?
I think it was like a sun or a butterfly or something. It was really colorful. But we're gonna go into Pandora, and basically all of Pandora is just
It is a lot of photos.
gorgeous, yeah.
Thank you, calling me gorgeous.
You are gorgeous.
Appreciate it.
This really cool plant is a neat place to get your picture in front of. Okay, as you round the corner into Pandora, the floating mountains are in view, and it's gorgeous, and there's almost always a photographer right here too.
Have you ever got this here?
Right across from the restrooms is this really cool, looks like a root system.
I'm rooting for you. No.
And then over here, again in front of the floating mountains, there's all these drums. There's stroller parking, but then there's drums back there, right in front of the floating mountains for another great picture spot. And then right across from the drums is this really cool Na'vi art. And then of course, you can just get a picture right underneath with the waterfall. Or with this really cool bridge in the background with the woven art. I mean, honestly, the whole area is just one big picture spot.
Yeah. No matter where you stand.
Yeah.
Yeah, like right now we're under it.
Right there is a really cool spot too. right on the other side of this tree, but you have to be in line to be able to get that close right now. But yeah, that's another really good spot. I feel like these mossy walls would be a good background for Instagram.
Instagrammable?
Instagrammable. Satuli Canteen is really good. It's got this whole vibe to it with like the canopy. It's a really great spot. You can't go wrong here. And once they start opening up more at night, oh man, the place comes alive. You'll be able to get some really good pictures then too.
Yep, and you get to do the whole thing. I know the
Do you want to head over to Africa?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go. We're gonna take this little path right here. Instead of going all the way up to the front, we'll just take a left. All right, this is the bridge coming from Pandora into Africa. And this is another beautiful place. If you can time it just right where nobody's on that bridge right there. Or even with, this is the backside of Tiffin's and the Nomad Lounge, that restaurant. This is just, it's just so beautiful.
Well, thank you.
Or even with this pathway right here. This whole bridge is just gorgeous. Coming off of the bridge from Pandora.
We do it for Harambe.
Another great picture spot. That over there says, "Welcome to Harambe, Port of East Africa."
R.I.P. Harambe.
Oh yeah, this has got us inspired to take some pictures today.
Today.
So this is where the Lion King show is, but it's so empty now because it's not happening. This will be a great spot. That gate, that door right there, super good. This really tall, I don't know, but that staircase right there, all back in there, it's so quiet. You could come here and just have like,
Oh yeah, there is. I think there's a photo spot back there, if I'm not mistaken, right?
I mean, I just feel like this whole place back here now is just for the taking, for photos. It's just so empty and so beautiful.
I like it.
Yeah, so quiet.
I like it a lot.
I like it. Oh wait, these are new.
What?
Wait, these are really new. Wait, is the Lion King gonna open back up soon? These are brand new stickers, guys. Oh my gosh, I hope it opens up soon.
Oh, which one?
We have made it into Africa. Like fully into the downtown quarters, the shopping quarters.
I believe on the inside, to the right here, there's a, I don't know what it's called. I think it's like a market next to Tommy's.
You go over there and see your favorite picture spot?
Let's see what we got.
All right. Oh yeah, look at this tree and this wall. That's a good background right there. And this right here. Oh yeah, this is a great spot. So the restaurants over here aren't open yet, but another great few photo opportunities. We got this cool bike right here, and then this whole really colorful area. Oh yeah. Bunch of really cool walls back here. It's a good thing to live by. And then in the back is where the train that goes to Rafiki's Planet Watch is gonna come right by.
I like it. Yeah. We got a lot of fans going right now.
So many fans.
Loving it.
Great place to chill out and take some pictures. So yeah, win-win. So back there is where the train passes. And over here, there's a good warning to keep out from the bushes for snakes. And you are most beautiful.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're most beautiful.
Well, thank
Swift is so beautiful.
you. We're beautiful together.
Yes, we are.
Walking into Asia is another really great picture of the Tree of Life. Sometimes you'll get lucky and you'll go down this bridge right here and there will be a PhotoPass photographer. Another great photo opportunity is characters coming on the boat along the waterway.
And you get to see Pocahontas. That's who's coming.
Yes, Pocahontas! Headed into Asia now. And in front of the Up Bird Show are those cute little statues. If you had little kids, that would be perfect to just set them in front of Doug and Russell and just take some pictures of all the cute little guys.
I just want to be like, hi, I'm Doug.
There's almost always, oh yeah, there he is. Photographer right here with this cool tree, broken statue.
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Asia is also a treasure trove of really cool spots to take pictures. Like all the old artifacts. Like look, right here with this thing. This what is this? A cart?
Animal Kingdom's all kind of good spots.
Yeah.
Like you even take a picture like right here in front if you want to make it feel like you're in a like a little
like all the
area.
All the paths with like the Mirage Jungle Trek, Gorilla Falls, the Discovery Trails around the Tree of Life.
Yeah.
I mean,
those are all pretty good spots.
Yeah. I think. And there's Expedition Everest ride. There's almost always a photographer guy right here too. Or you can just take your own picture and then
Want to get a picture?
These line up with the mountains like that. The Thirsty River Bar right next to it is a really cool wall. If you can get that to yourself, it's a good background. Anywhere in front of these old buildings. In front of this Expedition Everest sign. It's all just, it immerses you.
Yes. I got lost for a minute.
All the countries immerse you. Ooh, look at that door with the lotus. That's a great spot. All right, we're in line for Everest. There's a lot of great places in here to get a picture, but if it's busy, don't hold up the line. Just let people go around you. But this is beautiful back here. This queue is gorgeous. So.
I love it.
Yeah. What does the wait time say?
Hey, got a
40
question
minutes.
for you.
Okay. What's
Do
up?
you ever rest?
No, sir, I do not. I just keep going. If you got a quick action shot camera, you can get some really good pictures on the actual ride too.
Yeah.
Like going up the mountain and stuff.
Great.
There's some really great shots as you're going up the hill here.
It's great. You got all this on the side.
Yeah, all of these artifacts along the side. Bam! Beautiful days.
Oh, Solid River Rapid.
If you are in the very front row, you can actually see, what is it, Epcot?
I think it's Epcot in Hollywood Studios.
And the Tower of Terror, yeah.
And it looks like an eagle, but we can't see it from where we're at.
Right outside of Everest is this really cool wall. Another great place for pictures. And a great view of the mountain. Alright, over here in Dino Land USA.
Dino Land.
This is a really fun place. So, there's all kinds of carnival pictures. And then we're gonna go on Dinosaur. And if the line is real long, we'll show you some of the really cool dino artifacts that if the line is short, if you just go inside the building, you'll miss.
Yeah.
There's trails right outside the building where if the line gets long, and now with social distancing,
Yeah.
some really cool dinos. So let's go.
Check this out. Let's go.
Let's go. There's also this really cool velociraptor. Looks like he's coming at you.
He's about to pounce on him.
He's gonna pounce.
Driposaurus.
Right outside the ride is a really good photo opportunities with your favorite carnivores. Man, it's a fun ride.
It is.
Oh,
it's
man.
dark. The only thing is it's super loud at the very end.
Yeah, it is.
So it'll get you.
All right, bye Dino Land. We're headed back onto Discovery Island.
Discovery.
And we're gonna show you, there's a restaurant right here, right on the other side of this bridge, called Flame Tree Barbecue. This place smells delicious, but we're not eating here.
Nah.
We're just gonna show you this over here. Follow these pathways down here. And look at all of these cute areas to eat. All these pavilions are decorated different. This one right here with the lanterns, they're so cute. And then this is one of the best spots in the park. You just follow that pathway down from Flame Tree Barbecue. You've got a lot of different pavilions you can go and sit and eat at. There's a body of water right there, little looking pool. And then bam. The best view, in my opinion. It's just so pretty. So peaceful. Alright, we've had a really fun day.
It's been super fun.
Finding all of the neat picture spots, and we've actually stopped to take a lot of pictures ourselves. So we just want to say thank you so much for trekking with us, and we are going to leave you with all the pictures that we've taken today.
Yeah.
Not all of them, there was so many, but one of the best ones that we got.
Yeah, we'll give you a couple.
All right, we'll see y'all next time.
All right.
Bye.